First up, we have App 1, Swagbucks. This popular app allows you to earn points by completing surveys, watching videos, or playing games. You can then convert those points into cash, gift cards, or even PayPal cash. Next, we have App 2, Inbox Dollars. Get paid to read emails, take surveys, watch videos, and play games. You'll receive cash rewards that can instantly be withdrawn. Moving on to App 3, Field Agent. This app offers quick gigs for you to complete, such as taking photos or checking prices in stores. You can earn real cash right away, making it perfect for those looking for immediate payment. App 4, Gigwalk. Similar to Field Agent, Gigwalk provides you with various small tasks like taking photos or verifying locations. You'll receive payment straight to your PayPal account within 48 hours. Now let's talk about App 5, Feature Points. By trying out new apps, playing games, and taking surveys, you can earn points that can be redeemed for PayPal cash or gift cards. App 6, Quick Thoughts. Take surveys on the go and get rewarded with Amazon or iTunes gift cards. It's a quick and easy way to make some extra cash whenever you have a few minutes to spare. Lastly, we have App 7, Ibotta. This app lets you earn cash back on your everyday purchases. Just scan your receipts, and you'll receive money directly to your PayPal or Venmo account.